Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be repairing a bow and cockpit cover. And what has happened is where the pole goes in and holds up to keep moisture and water out. The customer, obviously, these items have fallen out of place. And in doing so, they've left a rip in the cover itself right here. So, I can pull that apart for you. So what I'm going to do is cut a piece of material that'll fit this area, and then do a zigzag over this area that's opened up, and then I can put this piece back. So that's what I'm going to do next, and we'll see what that looks like. Alright, so this is the part that's kind of tricky. I'm trying to get this laid out as smooth as possible. Trying to get it back to where it was originally, and I'm not sure if I'm going to get it there, but I think we're in the right neighborhood. I'm trying to smooth it out as much as I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some adhesive on this material, and then I'm going to put it over the rip and just try to smooth it out as I'm putting it on. So I think I may have started it too short. But I'm just going to add another piece right here. I feel pretty good about how it laid down. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the cover over, and I'm going to run it through the sewing machine and just basically do zigzags over where the tear was, and then I'll end up sewing on the original sock here, and then we'll be done with the repair. Alright, so we're going to get started on this repair, and I've already shown you that we have attached the repair on the bottom side and laid it out as flat as we can. Alright, so at this point I've not done any stitching. All I've done was put a backing piece under the material, and you can see right here is obviously area that has been pushed through. So this is the area we're going to concentrate on, and it's not going to be pretty. It's just going to be some back and forth, basically zigzag over this area. Then I'm going to reattach the customer's piece that is right here to this, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on this, and here we go. So if you're new to sewing, all I'm going to do is I'm going to get started. I'm going to do reverse on my machine, which basically just locks the stitch in, and I'm going to go forward, I'm going to go in reverse, and forward, and reverse, forward, reverse. And all I'm doing is trying to cover the area that has been damaged, and just that's all it is, back and forth. And again, this is just the repair. I'm not going to charge my customer some astronomical amount just to do what you've seen here. So then again, I will lock it in by forward and reverse. Cut the stitch. I'll cut the stitch on the bottom side. So as far as the repair is concerned, that's it. This is the repair, and then I'll be attaching the original piece that was there like that, so that the customer doesn't have to worry about it ripping again. So that's what you'll see next. Alright, so here we are. I've already got the patch in place, and now I'm trying to line up where the original piece went. And I think that we are close enough at this point that I can go ahead and push back one area, do some spray adhesive, push that down, fold back the other side, and this stuff is crunchy. So it's pretty old. This customer is in need of a new boat cover. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and just push this down. I'm going to slide this in the machine. I'm going to go ahead and go around this perimeter here, what you see. So in the end, this is what the patch looks like. I did a zigzag to fix the rip, and then I went ahead and repaired, or replaced, I should say, the piece that had the sock on it for his pole that keeps the water off. So this is just to keep a 20-year-old cover going for a little while longer. This is in detail what I'm going to do on the rest of it.